Ripple, XRP. Market cap, over $39 billion, made by a portion of similar organizers as Ripple, a computerized innovation and installment handling organization. XRP can be utilized on that organization to work with trades of various money, including government-issued types of money and other significant digital currencies. Toward the start of 2017, the cost of XRP was $0.006. As of January 3, 2022, its cost came to 83 cents, equivalent to an ascent of over 13,700%. Ripple is an advanced installment stage that involves the XRP cryptographic money. For exchanges, numerous worldwide banks all over the planet use the administrations presented by the Ripple organization. Right now, Ripple is one of the biggest cryptographic forms of money on the planet with regards to giving a strong innovation. With a quickly growing organization,